Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Lexus GX460 windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades and any tools you might need. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked and turned off before starting. It's also a good idea to place a towel or cardboard on your windshield to protect it from accidental scratches during the process. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab, then carefully slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back onto the glass. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new wiper blade with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once both new blades are attached, gently lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield, ensuring they rest properly. Finally, let's test your new wipers. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield washer fluid to test the new blades. Observe them closely to ensure they make even contact across the entire windshield and provide streak-free cleaning. For optimal performance, remember to clean your wiper blades regularly with a damp cloth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.